guys, so I'm just doing a quick intro, even though I'm filming this after I already went to Dollar Tree. But I didn't, going into this video, I didn't think I was going to do like a walkthrough video. Don't look at the trash back there. I didn't think I was going to do like a walkthrough video, so I kind of didn't film like walking in too much and like, you know what I mean? It's kind of like thrown together. I'm with my friends, so we're like laughing and stuff. But I still hope you guys enjoy. I did get some good footage of things, and I was about to show you guys, but you guys are going to be blown away of what I find today. I find tons of fidgets, tons of things, so you guys should totally stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Look how American that is. Look how big that is. Oh my gosh. Did anyone even party in 1776? Oh my God. Yeah, but the school supply stuff. Look it! Slime. Dude, okay.
We're here for $1.
Oh my gosh, dude. I'm getting like all of them. What is this one? There's a pony. I'm not gonna get all of them now. I want the yellow unicorn.
Do you want the alien? Whatever this is?
It's like a squid octopus thing. Dude, what the hell? They actually have them here?
Yeah, that's so weird.
Usually they're like expensive. What is this? A pony?
Yeah, it looks like.
Yeah, they're both unicorns. Kind of like the square too.
Yo, do you think we can finesse the system?
Dude. That is cool. I just ripped this one. Oh no. Well. Slime.
Do you have a pop gun here?
Look.
Slime.
Beautiful clear slime.
If they have a pop gun here, that'd be really good.
They might. Lavender. Ooh, nice slime they have here. Purple. There's some under there. Yes. Oops. And squishy. Rainbow squishy.
Oh, that's a lot.
They had one. It's right here. I thought I put it down and I thought it was rainbow. No, I thought it was turned into rainbow. That's kind of cool. These are some good squishies, I think.
Oh, there's more over here.
For $1. Oh yeah, nice.
That actually looks really good. I kind of want some mint chocolate chip ice cream.
Dude.
On a chocolate waffle.
That looks amazing. This is a nice squishy, I think. Well, some of them are smelly, but these ones aren't.
That's cool that they have.
I like them a lot. Okay. Okay, I'm getting unicorn right. Should I? No, wait. I'm getting yellow unicorn. I mean, not green unicorn. I don't know where green unicorn came from.
It's non-toxic, so.
Non-toxic. Okay.
Why they would advertise?
I kind of want. Oh no.
These
These ones are kind of. Yeah. I might get a square. Well, not a yellow one.
Yeah, get a green.
Green square, yellow unicorn, or yellow square, green unicorn?
Yellow unicorn. I kind of like the green unicorn a lot more than the yellow one, and then you can get a yellow square.
Green unicorn. Oh, look, you make your own stress ball. It's kind of cool. Wow. Ooh, silly scents. They have green apple.
Alright, Chloe, you should tell me how you feel about the current situation in Iraq.
Blueberry.
I need you to tell
Orange.
Me, I need you to tell me how you feel about the current situation in Israel and Palestine.
Banana. Banana. That sounds really yummy. Dude, look at. Oh my gosh, no way. I used to have these as a kid. Look at. These, not these. These things.
I never got any of those.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute. You get 2 in 1. I would spend all my quarters on this at the quarter machines. Can make foam, so that's kind of fidgety. Dude, that's a fidget cube, am I right?
It's a Rubik's Cube.
Well, I know, but it can be fidget.
Oh, yeah. Let me see if I can solve it.
Oh, they have a few. Kind of cool. For a fidget, I guess. Oh, these are cool too. Ooh. Look at that. It's pretty cool. And they have more slime. Oh my gosh. What? 2 in 1? Oh my gosh, I've never seen this before. Okay. I feel like I should get one, but I don't really need one. But that's so cool. 2 in 1. Those were, I spent $3 for one.
Fucking $5 on
Yeah,
one.
I spent $10 on one, but it was the game console one I have.
Oh, okay.
I wonder if they had more. Like they probably had
They
blue.
probably had a ton.
That is so cool. I mean, this one's kind of cute. I don't like there's not many
though. Yeah.
pop-it things, so
And I also don't like being.
it doesn't work, I don't think.
It works.
These are
I
so
can feel it, like,
nice.
I can feel it.
Yeah. I
Like-
want one. Really nice squishy. I don't know why they put it out over here. I think they could fit it in there. Squishy cube? No. Stick them up. Oh my gosh.
Resisting.
Oh, they have tons of nice candles. Basil. That's pretty good. Could be witchy. Watermelon. Way better than the racist American one. Look at the cute socks. No, these are cute, but they're for kids. Not cool. Taco socks. Donut socks. I don't like.
I don't like avocados.
Avocado. I do like avocados, but
I like this. I like the limes. And then
orange cream pop Twizzlers. Laffy Taffy Bites. Dude, that's cool. Rope Bites, interesting. Lots of different
because I love the rope
new
slice.
flavors. Atomic. They have more, but they're the same. Okay. Oh, so good. So cute.
We're still looking right now.
They're so cute. This one looks like a clown. Little kitty cat.
Double size.
Double size. This one looks like Godzilla. Baby Godzilla.
Do you want to try one of these?
Sure. They're probably gonna be gross though.
Yeah,
Oh my god, look at this dude.
Oh my god. I don't know if we should really get them just yet. We should wait a little bit.
That one is so cute. Puffer fish. Off to get our dinner. Oh, this one is good. This chicken fajita bowl.
Mashed potatoes and gravy.
I think I had this one before. I might do this one. They have Fruit Loops, Ice Pops.
Okay, is
Dinner time.
anything else? $5.
Squishy.
You wanna go first?
Nice. It's so hot
Oh gosh.
and bright. Dang, that was like amazing. This Dollar Tree,
That's a whole.
this Dollar Tree poppin' though. Dollar Tree in Ridgecrest, like what?
Yeah, that's popping, bro.
Literally, listen, Popits for $1. Wow. That is amazing. I spent $4.25 on 3 Popits and dinner. You guys, so I went to Dollar Tree, not expecting to find anything, but I found Popits for $1. I mean, like, this one I got for my friend for her birthday. It's the little squid. Then I got a green unicorn for me. Super cute. I will open it up. Then I got a little yellow, like, square. So I am so excited. I'm gonna open it up for you guys. I'm like, you can, it was crazy at the Dollar Tree. Like, what? Yeah, the quality definitely isn't like the best, but I mean, for $1 though. Okay. This is not a good poppy side at all.
Can you feel?
Wait, let's try it. I mean,
That's fine. It's
Yeah.
not that bad. The other side I don't
but
like,
like
though.
the texture isn't the best, but
Yeah.
like, yeah, this side is like really bad. It like pops up on its own.
Stir it.
Okay. Yeah. Not the best. It's like you kind of feel like hard plastic when you, like, this side is weird. So I think for $1 that these are really nice. It's just like this side over here is just really difficult to pop, and it like pops back up, as you can see. So, but again, it is nice to pop it on this side. And then this one, again, like the non-poppy side is really bad, but then the poppy side makes really nice sounds. So I think for $1 they're worth it.
Alright you guys, so we're back from Dollar Tree, and obviously it's later, it's actually at night, but I was with my friend, and that's why it wasn't as professional as usual, because he like jokes around and stuff. But yeah, so we found Popits at Dollar Tree, which was crazy, and slime, which tons of that, tons of new flower, fidget stuff, wow, tons of fidget things, like literally, it's crazy. But I just got 2 Popits for myself. I have 2 others. I just recently got these like 2 weeks ago in Las Vegas. This one I spent a pretty penny on, about 12 bucks, including tax and stuff, but I think it's worth it. And it's like the best sounding one. And the texture is really nice. The texture on this one is really nice as well. This is a little rainbow one that I got at Target dollar section for $3. Pretty good. Again, nice texture, really strong. And these ones for $1 are really, I'd say they're, well, it's hard to tell, but if you feel it in real life, they're a lot thinner and not as great quality. And it's so difficult to pop them because like they pop out, you know? Well, it's a lot easier to do it like this, but it's really difficult. And when you're like popping, it kind of feels like hard plastic, if that makes sense. So, really weird. And here's a unicorn. This one I feel like it definitely feels less strong. This unicorn one definitely feels like less sturdy, definitely more flimsy than this one. If you can even see that, it's just really like flimsy, really thin. I mean, like you can just stretch that. It's like that girl who breaks them all the time, you know, it would be really easy to just break it. But, oh my gosh, my cat is scratching at the door. Hold on, back in, she likes going outside. But as I was saying, they're great. It's just really hard to pop them. I mean, like, it's really difficult. Like, this one I thought was difficult. It's really like, it's just like kind of tough to pop. Obviously the poppy side is really nice. It's really nice on this one as well. But this one is like the best because both sides are like insanely poppy. So that's just my review. That's just my opinion. I'm just saying that these, even though they're more expensive and stuff, they might be slightly a better choice to get because they're better quality. But if you do want more like quantity over quality type of thing, then you should definitely get some. So they had this unicorn, they had that other weird horse-looking one with like a tiny little horn you guys saw. I didn't like how they didn't have many bubbles on it to pop, so I didn't get that one. And then they had a circle one, and then they had the square ones, and then they had the one that I got for my friend, which I'll show you. This one for my friend for her birthday. I think it is really cute. She likes these type of things. She hasn't like, I don't think she has one yet, but I know she'll like it, and it's for only $1. And I think she liked this one. It was the last one of the squid they had left. I think the squid is cute, but this really bothers me. I really don't like the whole, I think they should make it something, I don't know. But I got her that, so that's why I didn't open it yet. But, so they had those 4 styles. They might have had like a star, maybe, I don't know, that's all we saw. That was a pretty good selection, I would say, even though the lady at checkout said there was tons more, though. But I'm thinking they had yellow, green, and 1 blue color left. I just didn't get it because I already had a circle one, and my friend already had one as well. But, so I'm thinking they might have had a pink if they had like a green, a yellow, and a blue. Sorry. You know, I feel like they would have a pink color to balance it out. But yeah, so that was the haul from Dollar Tree. I just got these 3 things and then my dinner, as you guys saw. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was totally unexpected. I was just filming for my vlog anyways, and I did not expect to actually like film a whole video. So it's not like as put together as it would be if I went into it knowing I was filming a Dollar Tree video rather than like, oh, let's put in some clips together. But I hope you guys enjoyed anyways, and you guys should totally run to your Dollar Tree if you have one. So my small little town, I was shook to find these. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment down below your favorite one, which color is your favorite, and what one you would get. I really like, I mean, the unicorn is cute, but I really like the square, honestly, because there's, you can pop it like 2, 4, 6, or like 3 at once, and it's just like, it's really even, and I like doing it with even numbers, popping them, so I like this one the best. But yeah, let me know down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And yeah, we're gonna go to another Dollar Tree out of town. We're going tomorrow, which I'll film. We're gonna go to like Five Below and Target and lots of other places. So you guys will see that in a separate video. But we might find Popits at Target, and we might find them at Five Below, and we might find them at Dollar Tree now. So hopefully we can find some more designs as well. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Bye.